Hello guys, you are welcome to KULDAPRINCE trading channel where I teach you guys how to be a profitable trader and make the most profit out of the market. So I'll be taking you to my screen as the topic for today is trading view. So here is my trading view app, but I'll leave the link in the description below. So you do well to use my link to register. So clicking my link, this is what the trading view app will look like. At first, you will see the pro version, the pro plus and the premium. If you look early on this plan, on this offer using my link, you save yourself 30% off, 40% off and 50% off. First, I'll walk you guys on the benefits of this plan. Okay. So if you are to use the pro version, you can see you have access to charts, which is necessary. But what you might not have access to, is based on the plan you are working on currently. As you can see, I'll walk you guys through the plans as I don't want this video to be too long. So this is the plans. You can do well to check it out yourself. So when you download the how to download, the next question will now be how do I download the trading view? What you do is this: you after you have gotten the trading view and you have gotten the plan for a desktop version, you go to mobile app. For a desktop version, you go to the desktop app, while for the mobile app, you go to the mobile app. So you have registered and you have your account set, which is you have registered using my link and you have gotten your plan. You have your account set and you need the desktop version. So you press the desktop app. So it will load for you and it will bring all the necessary ways to download, be it Mac OS, Windows or Linux. So for this video, I'm using Windows. So you click the download button and automatically it will download. So then you register and you have the trading view app like this. So I'll be walking you guys on a plain chart. Like there is nothing here in this chart, nothing, no analysis, just plain market. First of all, if you want to make use of the app, you must know the particular. First of all, this is how your chart looks like, plain, without any candlesticks or anything, just line. And this is not a clear representation of the market you're about to change. So first of all, you need to first change your candle like this. If you put the cursor on the app, you'll see it will tell you it is line. You put it here to tell you it is candles. So you change it to candles because you want to have a clear representation of the chart. So you can as well edit the candles, be it bar, be it candles, be it line. Your favorite candles, you can change it line if you want it at maybe let's say this if you have a strategy on the Ekin Ashi, if you have a strategy on it, you can change it to this candle and you will see the candle will come out based on the um candle format you would like to use for your chart. But me, I prefer to use the normal candlestick um, format, which is just normal plain candles. So this is how it looks like. That is your first instance. Second, you need to know your peers. Like this is like now, this is just the SPX 500. It's more of a forex it's a forex peers. We also have the crypto peers like the buying we have the BNB, we have the BTC, we have the Ethereum. Like I said, you as a trader, you need all these materials. You need your trading view, you need your BINANCE app, and you need your maybe be it your laptop or your phone. You need something, your materials down to be able to set up your trading. So in my description, the link to getting your Binance tool is there. As well, you can register using my link. You get a percent, like you get, because Binance is currently, I give my subscribers bonuses. That's why you are subscribed under me. Binance is giving a offer of 100 USDT for newcomers. So if you use my link as at watching this video, this is what your Binance will look like. This is what your Binance will look like using my link. You can see this is my link here. So I'll leave it in the description below. Using my link, this is what your Binance will look like. Then you sign in using your Gmail or your email and you verify your account. So back to the trading view. So you have your Binance, you have your, the be it deriv, which is for forex. You already have the app you are going to use to place your trade. So now you need to know the pair you want to analyze on. Let's say you want to analyze on this SPX 500, which is a forex pair. To search for the pairs, you click here, then you search for the pairs you want, SPX 500 or BTC, or if you want to search BTC, you search BTC, you know, then you BTC, if you need to, using the trading view properly, you need to know the app. Like I explained, you need to know if it is Binance app you are using or you are using a Forex app. Like take for instance, you are using a Binance app. You scroll down, you can see here they write Binance. You see, they say all source. You can filter the all source and choose that you want only Binance. You get. Let me show you. You can choose you want only. You can even search it without going down. You can choose you want maybe Binance US or ordinary Binance. Be it the one you would like to use. So you can choose Binance and it will load the Binance USDT page. You get. So to be more accurate, I would prefer you even use the Binance USDT perpetual. That would, like, the pips are all accurate, the figures are all accurate, of which I'll still show you as we progress in this video. So back to a plain chart. So when you know your pairs, you input your pairs and you see that this is how it looks, being it a plain chart. So you have that set. I will now walk you guys through the meaning of all these tools you see here in your vertical left hand section. So you can see here we have cursor. You can see my mouse. I'm using the cross line cursor. You can see if you put the mouse a little bit, you see it's showing cross. Then if you click this icon here, it will bring out all the cross section you might like to want to use, and if you want to mark it as favorite, you can add it as favorite. Yeah. So if you want dot, you can use dot. You can see only dot. If you want arrow, you can use arrow. You can see you can use arrow. If you want eraser, be it what you would like to use, but for me I would prefer to use the cross. So this is the trend line, marking out. Um I'll show you my analysis on how to use the trend line on that. But if, like now, a trend line is a tool used to mark out your chart, knowing the possible direction the market is heading towards, whether be it a bearish or bullish market. Or you can also use a trend line to mark out your support and resistance level. So trend lines are very important as a trader, you get. So take for instance, you need your trend line. Take for instance, you have added it. Take for instance, you have added it as your favorite. You see, I've added it as my favorite, so it's here. Again, so you click on it, trend line, then you mark out a trend line. You can see, like this is not a perfect trend line, because a trend line, it must touch 1, 2 and possible 3. That makes it a perfect trend line, but this is not a perfect trend line. So that is how to use the trend line tools. And if you want to delete it, you delete it from here. You can see you remove it. Precise, you are in hurry or you make mistake and you want to and you mistakenly delete the line and you want it back, what you just do is this. There's a button called the undo and the redo button. So to get the undo and the redo button, you can use short keys, or you can use this key. Short keys, if you use Control Z, it will come back. But because of this is a beginner video, I will make use of everything step by step so that you understand it perfectly. So you use this undo button, you can see the line will come back, and if you use the redo button, the line will like come back to its previous section. So let's say you make mistake for example. If you make a mistake, then if you press the redo button, it comes back and you are able to edit your your lines. You can see this line, it has a lot of options you can do with it. You can duplicate it, you can increase the line, you can put it to 3x, make it more thicker, 4x. You can duplicate it. There are a lot of things you can do exploring the trading view. So that is that for the line section. So I'll just work you out, with their names. But if you would like me to make more videos on a particular tool you would like to use, you can always leave it in the comment section. Please, KULDAPRINCE, make a video on Fibonacci retracement, make a video on trend lines, make a video on ruler, anything you would like me to make a video on, just leave it in the comment section and I will make a video on it for you. So this is the Fibonacci. Like I said, you can use Fibonacci to know, like it's a retracement tool, so you can use it to know possible retracement in the market. You get. So if I'm to make a video, another video on Fibonacci, I will explain how you can edit your lines, make it look more nice and more favorable based on your own design, because your trading view is your material to make you more money in the nearest future. So let me put the icon on it. You can see this is the brush, this is the text. To write your text, you can write like your choke, you can write like your there are a lot of text you can write to make your chart look more nice, and to make you understand your chart perfectly. This is the XABCD pattern, more like the Gatling pattern. So that's another tools, to of different patterns, to if you trade with patterns. So that is it for, you can see, if you don't want to see anything in the chart, you can, like your drawings, let's say like the Fibonacci or the line, you don't want to see it, you can use the hide and unhide button. It's turn off and on um the the tools. So now I'll take you guys over to the time sections. In the chart, we have 5 minutes to any possible times you would like to use. They are all in the chart, be you a scalper, a swing trader, or a day trader, or a trader that trade for couples of years. Be the kind of trader, over time you know your strategy and you know your capability in the market. So be it the kind of trader you have, there is a lot of time frame you can access. But me, for this tutorial, I have my 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and the 4 hours with the 1 day time frame marked as my favorite. You get. But there are other time frames you can access. So the time frames, someone will ask now that why do we have a lot of time frames? Okay, the thing is that time frames are more like they are like a breakdown of the chart, knowing what the chart is doing at a particular time. If you look at this section, you can see we have 3 minutes. You can look at the time here. We have, as I'm making this video, is December, the Christmas time. Yeah. So the Christmas season. So if you look at this time here, you can see we have um here is showing we have 3 minutes, here is showing we have 6. You get. So we have like 4 minutes left, just that it's now showing 20 seconds, but we have like 4 minutes left for it to be 21 to 100 hours. You get? But the time is because it's a 5 minute time, so every candles you see here, let me show you clearly. Every candles you see here are 5 minutes candles, 5 minutes candles. Every each candles you see there, they are 5 minutes candles. So that is more about the time. It breaks down. You can see when I was at the 4 hours time frame, it was if you look at the 4 hours time frame, you can see there are not much candles like that because each candles are 4 hours. So those 5 minutes are plenty, and you can see for how many 5 minutes will complete this one 4 hours candle. So that's why I say it's more like a breakdown of your time frame. So if you're a swing trader, you can use like the 4 hours time frame, the one day, and the 15 minutes to place your entries and all that. You get. So next up we have indicators. Indicators are tools that traders use, to perfect their technical analysis and to confirm their technical analysis in order for them to place a trade. For this video, I have the EMA, you can see the 200 moving average only because indicators are not what will make your trade work out well. No, indicators are just to support your trade, to confirm your trade, because I see many people make very bad use of the indicators. You get, they fill their chart with a lot of indicators. No, as a trader, your chart must be so neat, so clear, so nice. It should be like, you can see I even save it as my love. You get, it should be your love. There should be, passion for trading. Though, relationship is all about ups and downs. Though I'm trespassing out of the video, but I just want to make it more clear to you guys. Relationship is all about ups and downs, whereby there are sometimes the market will eat you, and make you feel bad, and there are sometimes the market will make you smile. So that's why I save it as my love, because the market sometimes will give you more money, but over time as a beginner, when you keep trading, when you keep learning more strategy, when you follow the professional traders, over time you will fall in love with the market, and the market will always make you smile. You get, your profit will be more than your loss. That's what makes you consistent in the trader, and that's what makes you a full-time trader. So that is that for the indicators. You can see I have the EMA, but here you can hide it. Like I said, I explained about hiding for drawings. Here you can also hide it. You can also hide the indicators, just to make your chart look neat. You can see I also have the stochastic and I have the MACD. So if you want me to make videos on that, I'll make these videos in a separate video, because I can't make all in one video. It will be too long and it might bore you guys. Get. So I want you people to be able to watch this video over and over and over again, so that it's short and simple and detailed enough for you to understand the principles of using a TradingView app. So next up, I will take you guys to the search button, the settings, and the full screen. As you can see here, full screen is all about, everybody knows what is full screen, make the chart look more plain. You don't want to see any other things in the chart. You just want it plain and, I'm coming. Okay. So you just want it plain and you want it broad, broad enough for you to understand the chart. So you can use the full screen. I will use the escape button to move out from the full screen. So if you are the type that, like me now, I give signals to my traders, in my VIP signal group. So most time, how I give some of them ask me, how do you use to take a screenshot of how your chart is, without taking screenshots from your using the snipe tool, or maybe using your phone screenshot. Yeah, this is what I do. I use this take screenshot button. When you tap it, it take a screenshot of, let me use it for you guys. You can see copy link to chat image. So when I copy this link, When I copy this link, I just go directly to my VIP broadcast group. The link is already copied. I go to my VIP broadcast group and paste it there. Take for example, let me go to my email, my Chrome. I paste the let take for example, I paste the link here, then I search. You can see this is just a screenshot of the chart. It gives you a broad view of what you are trading in the market. So that is all about using the links. And also, you can just take mere picture of it without using the link. Just save chart image and it goes to your download and where you download your images. So that is that. And you can also publish your chart. Let's say you are among the communities, you are among the people that trade and give ideas to, new traders that would like to know, confirm their own analysis. You can publish yours, using, you are using this publish only works for people that paid for the trading view. So if you paid for the trading view, you can use the publish section, to be able to publish your chart ideas. So here we have your wish list. Wish list shows all your charts that you have been analyzing over time. You can see, like, I have the USDT, and USDT, I have the BTC. These are my analysis on the BTC, the GHS, the Ethereum. So it shows all your wish list on the chart you are analyzing at the moment, that you like to analyze at the moment. So we have your alert, which alert simply means um alert simply means marking out the time, or marking out the um the section at which you want your chart to give you a reminder to what possible move you are looking for in the market. So that's when you use the alert section. So we have the news. If you want to read more news about you want to read more news about the coin you are trading, because as a trader you need technical analysis, you need fundamental analysis to be able to perfect your trade. You get. So that is that. Like I said, if you put the cursor, you know more about all these options, and give you idea of what you would like to use. See, we have the public chat, where you chat with people. We have the private chat. We have the idea streams. We have streaming, notifications and all. So that is that for that section. Also, we have the object tree. Object tree simply means all what you have put on the chart, they are going to be in your object tree, whereby you can edit them or delete them. Like, take for example this chart. Here are all my object trees, all what I've used in the chart. You can either make them visible, you can see, or invisible. No, you can make it visible like this or invisible. So it depends on um what edition you want to make with your object chart. So that's what object chart simply means. Just make you to be able to edit your chart. So, and here you guys will be like, what are all these numbers? Why are all these numbers here? These are just price ranges, like price ranges at which the chart is going. You can see now current price at this video, current price of Ethereum. I explained it to you guys about your coin pair, Ethereum. So current price is just 1162 as I'm making this video. So this this current price, they are all here, they show here and show that this is the current price 116, and you see this line shows we are currently at 1162. So that is what is all these lines. And if you give a left click, you can expand the chart properly. You can see, you can expand the chart properly, or you can compress the chart. And here also we have a lot of numbers. You'll be like, what is the meaning of this December? What is 2023? What is all this? These are just the particular dates, as at that particular time. These are the particular dates. So if you expand, it can expand the chart properly, and you tend to see more dates, you get. And it can also compress the chart, you know based on the date and based on the time that you can see now currently. If you look at this time, you can see this is a 4 hours chart. So we have, for it to open, let me expand it well so that you guys see it properly. Okay, let me expand properly. Let me expand. So you can see this is a present candle, and if you look downward, like if you look downward here, if you look here, you see that we have 20 100 hours. So 20 100 hours, you need 4 hours more before it will be exactly 12. As at here you can see here is 12. Before it will be exactly 12, you need extra 4 hours. Then a new candle will come here and you can see it will be exactly 12. You get? So I do believe and I understand that this video was detailed enough to be able to understand the idea of what TradingView is all about, you know. So if you really like this video, I will urge you to subscribe, to stay connected and stay active to this channel, as I'll be dropping more and more updates, more and more content on how to trade and get paid. So I'll do well you like this video, and if you find this video very useful and you want other of your friends and family to know more about this video, you do well to like this video so that it will be seen among all people, you know. YouTube will make it a very large algorithm and make sure the video go round and it will be seen among this video, seen among new users. You get? So if you don't like this video, you can also leave this video a dislike button and tell me what I should improve with the videos. So I do well to make sure you guys enjoy your Christmas, as we are in a Christmas season, and make sure you have a good time, as I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you.